What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am super happy that you guys clicked on this video, and I am super happy to be filming this video for you guys. Now, in today's video, we are not going to be doing a long intro. I'm going to get right into the video. So today's video is going to be about what freshmen should bring to college. Really, any college student could use this, but this is really geared towards my freshmen. And also, this video is specifically geared towards my UA heads because I go to UA, so I can tell you guys. But obviously, these tips and things can be applied to any incoming freshman or any student that's moving into college soon. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. If you guys thought I was going to be telling you guys the basic things like bring sheets and bring a mattress topper, you guys are totally wrong. This video is going to be the most original video that you guys have ever seen, because I'm not telling you guys the basics. I'm telling you guys the things that people forget to tell you, things that I have not even heard, and things that they're just least popular to hear in some videos, but they should be more emphasized. So the first thing that is on this list is the amount of money that you should bring with you to college. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to start this amount, like this is the bare minimum that you should have saved up to go to college is $300. And when I say bare minimum, that's you bring $300 to college and you're going to need some type of either allowance or some type of hustle or some type of job, because when you're in college, yes, you have a meal plan. Yes, you have your things for your dorm. But one, you're going to get tired of campus food. Two, there's going to be things that you need to pay for. For example, let's say you want to go to parties. If you're a boy especially, they charge. Even girls, they charge at certain parties. Also, you are going to have a friend. You're going to make friends. It's going to be somebody's birthday. And it's going to be 2-3 people's birthdays. And they're going to say, oh my god, I want to go out for my birthday, can you guys come with me? And they're gonna want to go to a $100 restaurant, and you're gonna want to have that bread because things add up. Also, you're gonna have to restock your dorm room. So minimum $300. Ideally, I would say, this might sound crazy, but ideally I would say have $1,000 saved just for living expenses when you go to college, because you're gonna be gone for months. So that's really not that crazy. And God forbid you want a new outfit or something like that, an event is coming up, you're gonna need that bread for that. So definitely bring bread. The minimum $300, the ideal $1,000, and if you want to just be comfortable-ish, I would say $600, $700. So that is the first thing that I think that you need to have before you come to college, or you need to bring with you to college. Okay, so my second unconventional thing that you need to bring to college is for my girls out here that wear extensions, wigs, weaves, whatever. Especially if you're wearing a wig, if you have an extra wig at home, bring it. And if you can afford to buy 2 wigs before you get here, bring it. I say that because one, getting things mailed to school, I don't know, for me it just seems so complicated. You have to do all these extra steps. Two, the resources. So even if you have braids, right, and you want to just keep braids for the first semester, which is a very practical and smart option, the beauty supply store is deep. It's deep. So if you come with at least your braiding hair, so when it's time to clean them up, you have it already, you don't have to worry about that, you will be set. And then also, if you're wearing your hair natural, make sure that you bring, even though we have Walmart close by, you can buy things, but I would just say make sure that you're stocked up on your proper hair products. Yeah, so if you wear wigs, try to bring an extra wig. If you need some affordable wig options, I have some wig reviews on my channel, so you guys can check that out. The next thing you need to bring with you to college, to be honest with you, I'm telling you guys this, but I'm a little bit skeptical about where these are going to stand for next semester, because we had so many problems with this item causing damage from last semester. But LED lights. So I had LED lights in the beginning of the semester when I first came. I brought them to another room, stuck them up on somebody else's wall, tried to put them back in my room, and they never stuck back up on the wall. So that was very dread. And then I got bullied until I finally got LED lights. You guys can see I have them on now, but this is not even a semester, but they caused a lot of damages in the rooms for last semester. But I would say have something that's gonna make your room a vibe, whether that's a LED light bulb or some fairy lights. I don't know. Get something that's gonna make your room a vibe. You're gonna be living here for months. Make your space comfortable, okay? I just realized I had the fan on that whole time. I'm so sorry. From this point forward, no more fan. Okay, but my next item on the list, this is specifically geared towards my UA heads. This is something that my mom got for me that I didn't know that I needed until she got it for me. So UAlbany is in upstate New York. It's brick out here. At some point, especially like at the end of the semester, it gets brick out here. So I would highly suggest that you invest in a heated blanket. I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon or at Walmart, but it's definitely a great investment. Mine has settings like low, medium, and high. And when it gets brick, you can just put it on high. Like literally, I would either lay it under my cover and then like basically lay on top of it and then have my comforter over me. But when it gets brick, it's definitely worth it. Okay, so another thing that I feel like freshmen forget, and I also forgot when I first got here, is tools, screwdrivers, hammers, wrenches, whatever that you're gonna need to put your appliances together, because a lot of us are coming with new TVs and like a whole bunch of new appliances that we're putting into our dorm rooms. And when you realize you don't have a screwdriver and you have to go running to Walmart with a whole bunch of other kids that also forgot their screwdrivers, you're gonna be very, very dread. So make sure that you have that on deck. Along with that, the next thing on my list that I really think is crucial and that you will need is batteries. Just like I just said, we're gonna have a whole bunch of new appliances and something's gonna need batteries, whether it's your new remote for your new TV or I don't know, an alarm clock, something is going to need batteries. So make sure you are stocked up on just, the standard AAA batteries. This next one is about to make me sound like I'm completely out of my mind for saying this, but I need y'all to hear me out. This is specifically another one that's for my UA heads. If you absolutely can, bring a car. If you absolutely can. UA, like we have the Walmart and the mall that's right next to us. But besides that, if you want to do anything besides go to the mall and Walmart, mind you, the mall has a lot of activities. You have the movie theaters, the arcades, the trampoline park. It has a lot of activities. But if you want to go anywhere else, it's a struggle. So if you can bring a car, I don't know if your parents have an old car, even if it is an old hoopty, bring it, okay? If you can. It will help you get around. When it comes to parties, oh my God, the amount of money that Ubers make. And if you're able to work Uber, that would be a great hustle out here. So if you can bring a car, bring a car. Now the next thing on my list is basically the type of clothes that you should bring when you get here. I would recommend literally packing for every single season. We get here fall, and it's gonna be it's the end of August to like December basically. So literally, when we get here first, it's gonna be hot. Or if it's like how it was last year, it's hot. It's beautiful outside. It goes from being hot and beautiful to like literally slowly, like an adjustment from you walking around campus skinned out to you walking around with a sweater. Then from you walking with just a sweater to you walking with a sweater and like a jean jacket. And then from you walking with a sweater and a jean jacket to you walking with a full puffer coat, leggings. Like it gets brick out here, but it's also nice out here the first couple months that you're here. So, or like the first month and a half. So definitely invest in like clothes that are for all season. Next thing on the list, I talked about this before in my last UALBANY video. Make sure that you guys check that out. But you guys should definitely bring Crocs. A lot of people on campus have Crocs. I'm not telling you to be basic or anything, but because I didn't have Crocs the first semester that I got here until the end, and they're so comfortable. When you just want to go to the CC, you want to go to the dining hall, you don't want to do too much. You don't want to get too dressed up. They are so comfortable and so perfect. The next thing you need to bring is a fan. As much as it gets brick, it will also get hot. So it's like you really need to be prepared. If you can bring like a fan / heater situation, I don't know if that's allowed actually. I don't want to tell y'all things that aren't allowed. I didn't have a heater, so I don't know. But I definitely had a fan and I definitely had it on like a lot. I've literally seen videos of people telling freshmen, don't bring a fan, don't bring a heater. Not for UALBANY, but just in general. And that's why I think it's kind of important that I make a video that's just for UALBANY heads, because our circumstances are obviously different. So yes, bring a fan, maybe a mini heater, maybe a fan / heater, but check if that is allowed before you do that, because I don't want nobody to get written up. But yeah. Next thing, what are we here for? We are here for academics. We're here to get our degrees. So we need to definitely bring some tools that are going to help us succeed. Make sure that you bring either a dry erase board or a planner. And I've also heard people tell freshmen not to bring this. Okay, but I'm not gonna lie to you though, with the dry erase board, I can kind of see that, because it's less like convenient, less likely that you're gonna keep updating it. But I 100% suggest getting a planner. I've been using planners since 6th grade because my school used to give us planners every single year. But when you get that planner on everything, yo, put it in your calendar on your phone too. Put when your finals and your midterms are. Because if you miss a final or a midterm, you're going to be hurt. Next thing that you need to bring, this is something I've definitely never heard anybody say in a video, but bring reusable shopping bags. Out here in Albany, they will charge you for shopping bags. Like for everywhere that you go, it's not the stores just trying to be money hungry. It's literally just the county like rule out here. When you go to the grocery store, they will charge you 5 cents a bag, and you're gonna need a lot of bags. When you go to the mall, they will charge you from anywhere from 5 cents to 75 cents a bag. So definitely make sure that you have some reusable shopping bags. You will need them. Keep them on you whenever you know that you're going shopping. Next thing on the list is school supply. Not in elementary school, you are not in middle school, and you are not in high school anymore, so you don't need to bring a huge binder or 100 books. I would say if you are the type of person that likes to write physically, which low-key I am too when I'm trying to study, maybe buy a 5-subject notebook, couple pencils, a couple pens, sticky notes, index cards if that's what you use to study with, highlighters, colorful pens. You're mostly going to be doing things on your computer, but yeah, if that's what you need as like studying tools, that's what I would recommend. Don't buy no textbooks until you get into the class and until you meet other people from that class, because you will buy a textbook and then there'll be a free online PDF. So don't do that to yourself. Wait until you get into the class. The teachers typically give you like a 2-week like time span to get your textbooks anyway, so don't even fiend, just wait. Okay, so next thing on your list that you should definitely be bringing with you should be air freshener. I would suggest bringing fabric air freshener for your bedroom, because having a clean smelling bedroom just enhances the vibe 1000%. And then I would suggest having obviously a air freshener for the bathroom. I feel like that's self-explanatory, but it's so important. Next thing on the list, this is something that I failed to bring. I took it out with that and I regretted it. And it's crazy that I failed to bring this because I came during the hype of COVID. Make sure that you're bringing medication and vitamins. Yes, because you're gonna catch colds. Like even if you, like I don't know one person that didn't at least catch a cold. Make sure that you bring medicine, cough medicine, stomach medicine. If you have allergies, bring your allergy medicine. Bring vitamins to build your immune system. That's something I need to invest in this semester because I don't even have vitamins myself. But that's super important, so make sure that you guys bring that. And last but not least, I feel like I've been talking so much. On this list, the thing that you should bring with you to college is condoms or birth control. And I know that sounds like I'm trying to be funny, but I'm being dead serious. You don't know what you're gonna do when you get here. You need to be safe. If you don't feel comfortable talking to your parents about it, talk to somebody that's like older. I don't know, but just try to bring it, even if you don't intend on doing anything, just to be safe, because this is college. STDs spread. Chlamydia, aka the clap, you don't want her to be your friend. You want her to stay as far away from you as possible. So make sure that you bring protection and birth control and you are safe, okay? That is pretty much all I have for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 1K subscribers by the end of the summer. Yeah, bye.